Welcome back. In the previous video, I just showed how to stake your Mizar tokens. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unstake your Mizar tokens. Let's get started. Ensure you're logged into your account and navigate to the staking dashboard. You'll find the link provided in the description below. Within the dashboard, you'll observe the amount you've committed to staking. In this instance, I've staked 15,000 Mizar tokens. This step was taken to elevate my star level from Nebula to Protostar, a move aimed at reducing trading fees. If I want to stop using Mizar for whatever reason, it's possible to unstake the Mizar tokens and subsequently withdraw them. Mizar employs a blockchain-based smart contract that imposes a 7-day lock on your tokens post-staking. Consequently, the period between requesting the unstaking of Mizar tokens and the actual withdrawal will last 7 days. Within this section, your staked wallet is displayed. In my case, there's only one wallet. The balance is also visible. To initiate the unstaking process, simply click on the 3 dots located here, proceed to select Unstake, and pick your wallet provider. For my example, I'll choose MetaMask. You'll be presented with information about your current wallet, staked amount, and the option to choose the quantity you wish to unstake. I'll opt to unstake only 5,000 Mizar tokens. A click on Unstake triggers a MetaMask pop-up where you must confirm the transaction. You can see how small the fees are on Arbitrum, which is great. Now we are waiting for the transaction to be confirmed. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated an unstake request for 5,000 Mizar tokens. The balance has already been updated. I hold 10,000 Mizar tokens staked, while 5,000 tokens are in the unbounding phase. This signifies a 7-day waiting period before withdrawal is possible. Keep in mind that when unstaking tokens, any associated benefits like fee reductions or increased rewards will be lost. This includes the period of unbounding. After 7 days, revisit this section to locate a withdrawal button, allowing you to retrieve your tokens to your wallet. That concludes our tutorial on unstaking Mizar. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time.